So this is the longest little side project on this cake. Is our corn dog. Actually, what am I doing? Pulling fondant out. I'm going to start with the Rice Krispie treats. As you can see, I use prepackaged, store-bought. You can, if you'd like, make them at home, homemade, doesn't matter. But this just saves me time. I haven't made a corn dog out of Rice Krispie treats in a while. Something tells me 4 bars was like a little too bulky for the corn dog. And 3 was just right, but how do you make 3 work? So I'm gonna try. And you guys can watch me maybe fail. We'll see. Okay, I've got my 4th here just in case. But I'm gonna try to make it work with 3. So, it's like I wanna like hot dog bun it around it. Let's see. You want to leave a little bit over the end of the skewer so you can create the top of the corn dog. So I'm just squishing it. Actually, let's probably make things easier. Let's put some piping jelly on the skewer, and that will help glue everything together. Just slather that on. Make it nice and sticky. Don't get carried away. You don't want to go too far down. Otherwise, it'll just make it hard to handle. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if we could do this. So just lay it in there. Kind of squish it down. Start to kind of envelop the skewer. Just go crazy. Wrap it around. Just squish it. You want to squish all that excess air. Oh, we need to make sure that that skewer goes down. There we go. Pinch it closed. Hey, 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 we did it. So far, knock on wood. Nah. Yeah, like I was saying, you want to squish out all that excess air and really compress the Rice Krispie treat. Oh, already looking like a corn dog. This is the back side now. We're just kind of want to even that out. It looks like the skewer's a little farther to one side than the other. You want to taper the end because you know when you stick the hot dog down into that corn batter, it kind of goes up onto the stick and thins out a bit. Don't go crazy. It's not like gum paste. You can't like model with it to a certain extent. So squish it on there. Start to roll it, roll it, roll it. Make it smooth. Squish it. Take out your frustrations. Maybe this is a good project after a bad day. Kind of just want to roll it on my counter here. Just smoothing it out. Kind of want to keep it fatter at this end, a little more tapered at the other end. That looks pretty corn doggy. Would you say? That's corn doggy? That looks pretty corn doggy. Super! So now this is ready for its fondant application. If you have really, really soft Rice Krispie treats, you can set this aside and kind of let it stale up, get nice and hard, maybe one day. But these Rice Krispie treats seem to be holding up pretty good. I don't like how this is thinner. You know what? I'll make that the top anyway, so the stick isn't on the board. Okay. So pop that aside while we roll out our fondant. Oh, I forgot we still have to make our bananas for our banana split. So this is fondant. To achieve this color, I use a lot of ivory and some like golden yellow. And that's how I got like this corn dog color. And we're going to airbrush it to give a golden brown finish to it, like it's been deep fried. So we need cornstarch. I'm probably using too much too, so I'm going to take some of that away. You don't want this to be too thick because it's just going to add a lot of excess weight to the corn dog. It is only laying on the cake board, but it's still, you don't want it too bulky. It just starts to look unrealistic.